This is a new series called Let's Talk AI. Our first word is algorithm. Every task you undertake relies on some form of an algorithm, whether you're baking a cake or following a workout routine. In our increasingly digital world, these instructions streamline our lives, making complex decisions manageable. Take, for instance, your morning routine. The path you choose to get dressed, brush your teeth, or grab coffee all follows familiar sequences, each a miniature algorithm that leads you to your ready for the day self. By understanding them, you open up to discovering how they influence your choices and experiences. Understanding algorithms means recognizing their presence in unexpected places. For instance, when you search for a recipe online or shop for groceries, algorithms simplify your options by filtering results based on what you like or need. This personalization is not just a convenience, it enhances your overall experience, allowing you to find precisely what you're looking for without unnecessary hassle. Algorithms aggregate vast amounts of data, turning it into useful suggestions that resonate with your preferences and requirements. Algorithms also play a significant role in education, adapting learning materials to match a student's individual pace and style. For example, online learning platforms utilize algorithms to assess a learner's progress and suggest tailored activities, ensuring that every student receives the support they need. This personal touch not only boosts engagement but also enhances the effectiveness of teaching methods, making learning a more rewarding experience. As we continue to integrate technology into our daily routines, understanding the scope of algorithms will deepen our appreciation for their contributions to both personal and societal advancements. Algorithms don't just influence how we navigate our personal lives, they also underpin the functioning of entire industries, steering trends and shaping competitiveness. For instance, in finance, algorithms analyze market data to make rapid trading decisions that can lead to significant profit margins. Similarly, in healthcare, algorithms sift through patient data to assist doctors in diagnosing conditions more accurately and recommending effective treatments. Thus, whether in bustling stock markets or quiet clinics, algorithms are vital in driving efficiency and innovation across various fields. Embracing this knowledge equips us to better understand the world around us and the unseen forces at play in our everyday decisions. Algorithms also enhance our interactions in the digital marketplace, where targeted advertisements pop up based on our browsing habits. Imagine browsing for a pair of shoes. Soon after, ads for shoes you were considering appear on various websites. This personalization reflects algorithms working behind the scenes, analyzing your preferences to connect you with products that could catch your eye, ultimately fostering a more engaging shopping experience. In conclusion, algorithms are integral to our everyday lives, offering solutions and enhancing our experiences in profound ways. By understanding their role, we can navigate the digital landscape with greater confidence and appreciation, recognizing that these step-by-step instructions, while often unseen, shape our world in remarkable, beneficial ways.